So yesterday, I was in Wiley. Today I'm in Mesquite, at the shop in Mesquite. Now, you can see this big truck behind me, right? It's a Chevy. All right. When you take a look at the truck, all right, it's like, damn, that's a nice truck. If I do say so myself. So we got a what kind of lift is it, man?
Magatti,
a Magatti, 8-inch lift. All right. The fuel wheels are on the truck. They've been painted like a burgundy red type of color, closer to red, a little bit away from burgundy. But not only are the wheels painted, but as you can see, you pay attention to detail. And this is what we did at the shop, okay? Now, I don't have any before pictures because y'all know me, I'm in and out everywhere, stuff like that. So we do have a couple pictures on the shop's page or whatever before, but just to give you a broad view of it now, as everything is done on the truck. This truck didn't have these on there. They do now. And it works just like factory, as if it came with the truck. Now you can't tell that they didn't come with the truck because of what we do. Okay, so now it's gonna make it easier for the person to get in and out the truck, because a lot of us are not this tall. So, all right. So it's easy for me to get in. So I'm gonna do something else. Let me get back out the truck. All right. Those are automated, right? And then so are these widows. Damn! I like that. Alright. And of course it had a remote start on it. Now I'm gonna take you inside the truck. Let me start it up. Hold on, let me start it, because for you cats who feel like a remote start is gonna damage your start, it's just too much money. No, it's not. Give it the program, baby. All right. Now, we're gonna go inside this thing. All right. Now, of course, there's a TV in here. All right. As you can see, there are no gaps around this TV. All right. Okay, bam. There we go. It's working. Now we're gonna go to the front of the truck. Now you see baby seats and a backpack in the back. All right. Now this truck did not have these seats in here. These seats did not come in this truck. So this was pretty much a base model, and everything that's in here now, we put in here. Okay, now we have this radio. All right. So, there's a remote start. So let me turn it back on. I forgot to turn my key before I hit the brake. So we know that works. We know that works. All right. Now, of course, we always rock Pioneer, because Pioneer is the best when it comes to sound production and sound distribution. All right. So, got the phone in our hand, plugged up into the radio. We ain't better get nothing because we're inside. So we're gonna change this here. Apple CarPlay. All right. So Spotify, everything on there, good to go. Look good in there. Open it up. Okay. What have you. All right. With ease, it slides in, it slides out. All right. So I'm gonna turn this truck off, and then we're gonna get back to the customer. Just had to do a quick show on a truck that was pretty much done from top to bottom. I mean, literally, what's on here now was not on this truck. like I said, I apologize for not getting more before than after. But that just go to show what we can do at the shop. Here in Mesquite, we can do it all. And it's not sent out to be done. It's done here at the shop. So, you know, I'm not going to put any names out as far as shops go that subcontract the work. But people know I'll do that real quick, but we ain't going to do all that. So, if you want your truck lifted, if you want to be able to get in the truck without having to climb in the truck with ease, if you want to be able to make the windows go up, if you want the truck to do all this and look like this, you know what to do. Just let us know. We'll make it right. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to read me a Bible verse and sing me a hymn. With that being said, I'm gone. We're going to cut this one. You seen the truck. Let me step back and take one more good look at it. Now guess what? We out, bitch.